Hello friends, once again welcome to Amaze Hub. So friends, once again Amaze Hub has come with a new product in a new video. You can purchase all these products online from home from Amazon online shopping app. It is made in a unit design such that it can be used to collect waste in a special kitchen. Therefore, water can be drained in this way, and you can collect the waste in this way and clean it in this way. It has a small thing to hold. It also has a handle on the side. You can use these cooking makers in this way in a special air-fried pot. You can use it for steaming, frying, or it absorbs oil very well. This is an adjustable bag for organizing the area under the sink in the kitchen in a proper manner, which has a lot of space. By adjusting it in the under-sink rod, you can keep things in an orderly manner. It is made for drying clothes. This is a stand which has long rods attached to it. By setting the rod kept in the stand in this manner, you can hang the clothes in it for drying, and you can also rotate the rod in this manner. You can also keep it in the balcony for drying clothes. It is a very useful stand. This is a cute smart tool for slashing vegetable leaves in the kitchen, in which you can slash vegetable leaves in this manner. It has stainless steel blades attached to it. This is a set of spoon and spatula, which can be used in the kitchen to make special meatballs. Along with this, you can also make vajia in a round safe case with the help of this tool. This is a disorganizer which is used on the side, which has a cover as well. In this, you can keep your player bowl after washing it. Is it foldable? This is a shoe organizer, which you can keep by organizing shoes slippers on the side of the door entry of your house. You can fold them and keep them in different shapes. To keep plastic bags organized, there are net-type bags which you can hang on the kitchen wall. In this way, you can take out the garbage bag and use it. No, whether it is the balcony area of the house or the window area, this is a brush used to clean especially small areas. By scrubbing in this way, whatever dust and dirt gets accumulated in it, you can clean it in this way. Drawer organizer. These are storage boxes in which by setting the boxes in this way, you can keep drawers in it, in which you can keep the clothes in overdrape to keep them organized properly. These are boxes of very good quality. No, this is a tool used in the kitchen, in which you can make small chapatis in this way, and with the help of these tools, you can mold gujia and round-shaped momos in it in this way.